National Car Rental Car Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think all rental car companies are the same, but you won't believe what happens next when time becomes your most valuable asset. National Car Rental is known for its Emerald Aisle service, which allows members to skip the counter and choose any car in a designated aisle, saving time at busy airports. The surprising truth is that this feature can turn long waits into quick exits. Most people get this wrong. They ignore loyalty programs that unlock faster service and upgrades. National is best for frequent business travelers. The surprising truth is that speed and convenience make travel smoother. Subscribe for more honest rental car reviews that help you travel smarter.